One question I'm always asked, what's the difference between braces, clear braces, invisible braces? What's going on? I'm Dr. David Shannon. I'm a dentist here in Northridge, California on Nordhoff Street, and I would like to answer those questions in case they're on your mind as well. Braces. Everybody knows what braces are. Braces are those metal things that make kids not want to smile, make them have that frowny look on their face because they don't want to show off all that metal in their mouth. So that's what we call braces. We've always called them that, and that's basically a way for a dentist to straighten out people's teeth. Now, when you're 12 years old or you're 14 years old, 15 years old, your parents tell you, you're going to the dentist, you're getting braces, you got to have straight teeth. So you go. You have no choice in it. But what if you're 35 years old, you're a junior executive in a business somewhere, and you want to have straighter teeth? Now you're going to be doing presentations in front of your peers. There are people that are going to be watching you and looking at you, and let's face it, most of us are self-conscious. We don't want to be in front of people where they're going to be staring into our mouths. So most adults will avoid or have avoided in the past wearing braces because it just isn't cosmetically appealing to them. So there's a guy somewhere in Germany who invented the next step. The next step of that was clear braces. Well, what's clear braces? It means you can't see the braces in your mouth? Well, not really, okay? Let's be honest. It was just a step in the right direction. What it was they replaced these big metal globby things that got glued onto your teeth with these big plastic globby things that got glued onto your teeth. Well, they look great the first week, but let me tell you, the average adult is drinking 3-4 cups of coffee a day at work. Those things are turning yellow real fast. So they weren't invisible, they were just clear. And they weren't even really clear anymore either. But it got a lot of adults thinking about straightening their teeth. And there's a lot of happy, smiling people out there that were able to use that. But there's still problems with that. I mean, let's face it, you've got to watch what you're eating, you've got to be brushing your teeth all the time, you've got to be really maintaining and taking care of things. Your gums are getting all puffy, they're getting all bleedy and everything, and they just still don't look very nice. But again, a lot of people did it, so it was a move in the right direction. Then the last step has been invisible braces. Invisible braces was invented by somebody who's not a dentist. It was perfect. An engineer. It was great. They did it. It was a computer engineer, and he figured out a way to move your teeth where nobody would know you're wearing anything in your mouth. It was just ingenious. It was great. And there's over 2 million people who have this in their mouth today, right now. And it's growing astronomically. And I'll explain what it is because you're never going to believe it. It's a little plastic tray. And you slip it on over your teeth, and it puts a certain amount of pressure on your teeth to move them in a direction, and then you take them out when you're eating, you floss your teeth. If you see a piece of candy at work, somebody offers you a Milky Way or a sticky, chewy candy that you just can't pass up, you don't have to worry about pulling your braces off. You just pop this little thing out of your mouth, and you put it in, chew away, hope nothing happens to your teeth, and then you can put this right back in. It's just an amazing phenomena that has just made a whole difference to millions of adults in the world now, because now you can smile, nobody can see it, it's just a clear piece that goes over your teeth. Nobody knows you're wearing it, and when your teeth are finished, they're perfect, they're beautiful, and they're straight, and it is just something that you can do. It's out there. There's a lot more information on it, so please, here's our name, here's our website. Check us out. Call on the phone, come in, we'll talk to you, we'll answer your questions about it, and take that step where you no longer have to have crooked teeth, and there's a very easy, wonderful way to do it. And I hope this video was helpful for you. We have plenty more videos on all different topics that we hope will be helpful, so please go through our library and enjoy and keep smiling, because the smile that you have today, you will have for the rest of your life. Make it the right choice.